Hey, what's going on, guys? You got the old gorilla here again. How's everybody doing today, man? It's nice and cool out today. Man, why couldn't it have been like this yesterday? We had a cold front come through last night, man. It was feeling nice, man. But anyway, I'm over here sharpening the blades. I've been sharpening the blades on my equipment. And I sharpened the blades on my 21-inch Toro and then the 32 Toro. And these blades here, man, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look how dull they are. I mean, you probably won't be able to tell, but these blades have been on here probably since the mower's been born. And yeah, man, I mean, you can run your finger across that thing. It's like the grass is really, I don't know. But, I mean, I'm going to try to put a good sharp edge. I'm going to try to put an edge on it. And the best I can, I'm going to use a hand grinder. I don't have one of those fancy $800 grinders that they got for sharpening blades. So, really don't see no point in spending that much money on one of those grinders that they guys be putting on YouTube, especially for if you want to save money. Yeah, I mean, a hand grinder does just fine. Yeah, but I got sharpening the blades on the Husqvarna, not Husqvarna. It's Husqvarna, okay? Exterminator. All right, son, young man. Husqvarna. Alright. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's Husqvarna. It's Husqvarna Exterminator. Old David up there in Virginia, Zadra Outdoors, probably would call it Husqvarna instead of Husqvarna. But anyway, yeah. There's the I got the zero turn up on the ramp, and I actually can really get up under the blade. I can actually get up under there and clean under the deck and then change the blades, no problem at all. And I got this idea from old buddy up there, what's his name, Elite Lawn Care, or Elite Landscapes and Life Stories, man. I consider him a buddy, he's a nice guy. But anyway, yeah, I appreciate that, Randall, giving that tip out on how to. I watched one of your videos on how to change your blades if you don't have one of those jack things to raise it up in the air. And those things are pretty pricey too. They're about $300, $400, $500, something like that. And I just, just a little extra effort. I just pull the trailer out, let the ramp down, drive it up on a ramp, and I just change the blades and clean the deck out like that. I take my $800 and spend it on something else, on some better piece of equipment, or just save the money. Hell, but these blades are dull. I'm gonna actually get some new blades tomorrow. I'm gonna go to my dealer and get some. And I'm going to get high lift blades. I'm going to get the extra high lift. And they're probably going to be $20 to $25 each. But anyway, man, I'm fighting this cold. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do a hand grinder. And it's just your little Walmart Hyper Tough hand grinder. It's served very well for me, okay? Yeah, it's nice having expensive name brand tools and not, but for the little stuff that I do for right now, it's okay. It'll get the job done. But anyway, later down the line, I'll get better tools and stuff, and hand tools and whatnot. But it's just a little wheel hand grinder, man. Make sure you wear your safety glasses and stuff like that. Or these are not safety glasses, but they'll definitely protect you anyway. gonna go ahead and get started on sharpening one of these blades. I'm just gonna get like about a minute of the sharpening. Check this out. Adjust this camera a little bit. I'm kind of getting fancy like a lot of you guys, man. I got a damn tripod now. And, hold on one second, man. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, you can see now, right? These blades are in bad shape. But all I'm doing is just trying to get a little sharp edge on it as much as I can. Hold on, man. I apologize. I didn't even talk over the damn machine. These blades are in bad shape. But I'm gonna go ahead and just try to put a good sharp edge on it for right now. I got my 1 acre properties coming up this weekend. So I'm just kind of getting ahead of the game while I'm not doing nothing today. And the weather's nice, so I'm out here sweating my ass off. Anyway, these blades are beyond. Just going to chunk them when I get my new ones in. Like I said, I'm going to call tomorrow my dealer. He's on the way to work right off the road. But I'm just go ahead and sharpen them now just in case I have to order them, and it might take a week or two. Like I said, that barely even got an edge on it. I mean, this is like so bad right here. From here to here, man, it's just, I don't want to take any more off than I have to, but it's better than nothing. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to put these on the Husqvarna. What I like about this Husqvarna, too, when I'm changing blades, all it is one bolt, man. And you don't even got to use the whole, like on the Toro 32, you got to put a wrench on top and then hold it with a wrench and then use the impact to take it off the bottom. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of view under the deck and me putting on the blade. Hopefully I can do it without jamming anything up. Oh shit! I forgot the blade, man. It's a beautiful day out here. Yeah, hope this thing don't cut off on me, guys. Anyway, yeah. Just take out this bolt and the blade comes off. That's how simple it is, man. That's nice. I gotta clean it out. I'm gonna clean it out in a minute. But anyway, yeah, I got one more to do after this. At least they'll be somewhat sharpened, you know. And yeah. Check it out. Rotten knuckle, baby. You gotta get in them little grooves right there. And then just put the bolt in it and tighten it up, and there you go. That's simple. Yeah, I gotta clean that deck out. I gotta scrape some of that stuff out there. I'll do that once I sharpen all the blades. I don't feel like making a huge mess and laying in that crap. And yeah. Yeah. Well, over here, I'm not going to be able to get the impact wrench under there. So what I'm going to have to do is angle it this way. I'm going to have to come at another angle to get that blade off. And then I'm going to clean all this crap right here. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, this is the old Husqvarna, guys. This is the MZ52LE 52-inch. Yeah, man, that thing's a little beast, dude. Yeah, look at that. It's got the 23 horsepower Kawasaki, and then of course battery's easy to get too. It's right there. And it's got the pumps, 3100 commercial pumps, the ZT 3100s. That's good enough, I guess. They say they're real good. Haven't had any issues with the mower. But for a lot of you guys, there's new subscribers. This is I just bought this end of last year, February. Yeah, I gave $900 for it. And yeah, there's a story behind this. I'll tell it another time. Hazadra Outdoors knows about it though. Anyway, I gotta hurry up and wrap this up, man. I'm ready to go inside. I gotta see, my hair looks good, man. Yeah, my hair looks good right now. Hell yeah. Need a small trim. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing great today. This is the Gorilla Lawn Care. Y'all be blessed out there. Have a great, safe week, man. Remember, keep on moving. Don't stop. Keep on hustling, man. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. God bless you. Have a nice day. And yeah.